Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Simple jokes and riddles to promote humor and thinking skills. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together! What do you call a bear with no teeth? Be a gummy bear. Why did the banana go to the doctor? C. It wasn't peeling well. What has 4 wheels and flies? A. A garbage truck. Why did the cow go to space? B. To see the moon. Well, what's brown and sticky? C. A stick. Why did the teddy bear skip dessert? A. He was too full. What did one wall say to the other wall? B. Meet you at the corner. What's fast, loud, and crunchy? A. A rocket ship. Why are fish so smart? A. They go to school. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a dog? B. Frostbite. Why did the kid bring a ladder to school? C. To go to high school. What do you call a funny mountain? B. Hilarious. Why do bees have sticky hair? C. They use honeycombs. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A. A snorosaurus. What do you get when you tickle an octopus? B. Tentacles. Why did the tomato turn red? A. It saw the salad dressing. What kind of key opens a banana? B. A monkey. What goes up but never comes down? B. Your age. Why did the cookie go to the hospital? A. It felt crumby. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? B. A carrot. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? B. It felt crummy. What did the duck say when it bought lipstick? A. Put it on my bill. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A. Carrots. Why don't skeletons fight each other? B. They don't have guts. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.